Alright guys, welcome to Outdoors for Adventure. I have a quick unboxing to do for you. This is from Melipron company. They sent this to me free of charge to check out and share with y'all. So we're going to get her unboxed. I should be able to get that pour. There we go. Still got some tape connected over here. There we go. And I lost my knife. Oh, cheap X-Acto knife blade. Maybe it went down in here. Sure where it went. Anyway, let's see what we got. Some paperwork here. This is a modular MOLLE panel organizer. There's 5 parts. Installation steps. More ideas of how you can use it. Storage instructions. This is a new product that they're carrying. I'll leave a link in the description about it. We have looks like some hooks, S-hooks, and some bungee string. These are magnetic mounts that will hold this to anything that's magnetic. One for each corner. This looks like an aluminum. This is a panel that will, or a storage box that will slide on the MOLLE panel. And then this is another one that actually has built-in cup holders. And underneath here should be the panel itself. Everything's been nicely packed. There's the panel. Let's do this. Take a quick peek at the instructions again. So let's leave that loose. And we need this goodie bag. So we need these. don't see any other parts, but it looks like this goes here. Don't see any kind of washers or anything. On the instructions, it looks like there's a piece that goes in between this and this, but there's nothing in this bag for that. So we're going to just assume that goes like that. And then we're just going to twist this on there. That one's on. Loosen that ball up. Same thing here. Butterfinger. Flip this around. Do the same thing to these other two corners. Loosen this up. Move that ball up. And we have one more. There's your magnets on, and then visualize this hanging on the side of something, and you can take these and just slide them in wherever you need them. Like so, and of course they'd be hanging on wherever you mount this to. These hooks go here. I think I still got y'all on camera range. So you can hang stuff. I said there's 6 of these, so you can hang your cooking utensils, which is what I'd use it for. So you can put your spices and your drinks or whatever you're cooking with right there. And like I said, this has 2 carabiners in it, and the rope. Okay, what this is for is storage, basically. When you're packing up to leave, you take these off, and you can just set them. See there, they have these little pegs that fit in these holes. And then you can take these and you can carabine it. This is the same way. You take it off, it's a little tight there, and you can mount them in, let's see here, which way I want to go with this. There they are. And then basically what you're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and tie one end. Alright, so I'm going to put a carabiner on each end of the string, like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and put one on this end. Now, you'll be able to put these both right there, flip that there. Let's go down under, back up. I'm going to put this rope in the grooves on the tray right there. Pull it a little snug. Same way here, go to the grooves. We're going to go under. And you could probably cut this and just clip it right there, but I'm just going to go ahead and come back up around. Never know, you might need a little bit longer. Go back up through there. Go through the groove again. And yeah, I think it's going to be tight enough just to clip it right here. And that hose is in place when it's traveling. And you can lock these. I don't have these tied enough. I need to tighten these up. But that's how you're going to haul it. Now, if you want even less space, you might be able to flip it upside down. Put these on this side, and then you're saving another inch or so, inch and a half. It's a pretty cool little deal. These are strong magnets. I'll find something to see if it sticks to. A very cool piece of gear. You can find this at Melipron website. I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out. It's pretty cool. So I'm sticking this to the back end of the Grand Cherokee Trailhawk with the magnets that have a cover over them to keep from scratching your paint job. I would wipe any dust off of the vehicle before you stick it on there. And I'm unwrapping the tool trays. This one can hold a couple drinks. And let's unwrap this other one. I would probably use it to hold spices or anything that I'm using to cook with. And we can install the S-hooks on there to hold cooking utensils. This is the first time that I have encountered a setup like this, so bear with me as I'm kind of learning as I go and testing stuff. This is going to be very handy especially on dispersed camping trips, because you always need a little more room to hold your gear. I could put my little table right beside this and it would be a nice little corner to cook in. So I wanted to see how well the magnet stuck to the Grand Cherokee, and that is a solid brick. We're going to set it on the shelf and it doesn't budge. I even give it a little shake and it is solid. I won't be using a brick when I'm dispersed camping and need a place to hold one, but that'll work great for spices and such. Really nice gear. Check the link in the description so you can go get you one, check it out. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space when you're hauling it. And I have a big cargo box in the back of the Jeep that I can actually store this in when I'm traveling and then pull it out when I need it. So it's going to be really handy. Everything seems well made. It's not real heavy, but it does feel heavy enough that you get a feeling that it's well made. The shells are a lightweight aluminum. There may be a better, faster way to tie these on here. In all honesty, I'm not going to have to tie them on, because when I put them in my storage box, I can just set everything in there. So this is the Melipron magnetic toolbox tray set with MOLLE panel. It's a modular, detachable storage shelf for camper vans, camping, outdoor cooking, garages, and workshops. This model has large size MOLLE with 4 magnetic accessories, 2-unit cup holder, 2-unit tray, and 5 hooks combo. And like I said, be sure to check the link in the description and you can get all the information about this system. It's really cool.